Do you want to know how you can log into your Cable One account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Cable One account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar to search for Cable One login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. As you know, Sparklight powers Cable One, so you must sign in using your Sparklight ID. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and you can see that it is the official login ID of Cable One. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can log into your Cable One account quite easily. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking on this icon over here. And if you have forgotten your username and your password, these are the two links you want to use to recover your password or retrieve back your username. If you don't have an account and want to register now, click on this account and create a Cable One account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log into your Cable One account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.